be a servant, there are some conditions that you have to do. If you want to be used by God, if you want to walk into your divine purpose, if you want to be what God has created inside of you to be, if you want to be elevated to the level that God ordained for you, even when you were in your mother's womb, he says there is some things that you have to come under. There are some conditions that you have to come under, because you see, when you're in the crowd, anything goes. Amen, somebody. You all act like you've been saved all your lives. You know, we used to gather in the crowd. Amen, somebody. Friday night crowd. Amen, somebody. A Saturday night crowd. You know, we go there, and whatever the DJ wanted to play, the crowd would follow. If it was a bump, it was a bump. It was a slow. It was whatever the folk wanted. That's what you did. Jesus said, if any of you want to be my follower, he says, you see, you got to be a servant. Because just because you say, Lord, Lord, don't make you a follower. Amen, somebody. Just because I am in church on Sunday mornings, don't make me a follower.